How to put Instagram filters on photos from your camera roll. Hey guys, if you also want to use the filters of Instagram on the photos that you took from your default camera application, then you can easily do that within a couple of steps. So if you also want to learn how, then make sure you stick till the end, and let's get this video started. Firstly, let's head over to the Instagram app and tap on the story option on the top left. Now here you simply need to select the photo that you want to apply the filter on. After you select the photo, you simply need to tap on this icon on the top. And after you do that, you can see the filters have started to show on the bottom. Now you can swipe and find the exact filter that you want. And there you go. If you like the filter, you can tap on done. Now if you don't want to post it to your stories, you can also download this picture to share it to other platforms. You can tap on this download icon and the photo has been saved to my gallery. As you can see, this is the original one and the filter applied. If you guys found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and also give this video a thumbs up. This way we know that you like our videos. That's about it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.